Namaste, Namaskaram, Swagatam, Kia ora, Boreida, Bonjour, Huya More, Buongiorno, Buonasera, Buonanotte, Shubhrapat, Subdinam, Shalamat Pagi. Welcome to our Platinum Jubilee, 75th day of the Vishwa Yoga Prarthana. Yes, 75 days. What a beautiful occurrence today of all of us coming together, creating this beautiful Prana Kavacha, energy shield, a Yoga Kavacha, a yogic shield, a Prema Kavacha, a shield of love, Manushya Kavacha, a human shield, Daivika Kavacha, a divine shield for humanity. In oneness lies strength. Oneness is strength. Duality is weakness. Unity is strength. Divisiveness is weakness. Let us all come together, bring our hearts, minds, our atmas together in that beautiful sense of yoga. Tadganeshaya vidmahe vakratundaaya dhimahi tanno danti prachodayate om. Om Tatparamparayaya vidmahe jnanalingeshwaraya dhimahi tanno guruh prachodayate om. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanao Bhunaktu Sahabhiryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om. Let us perform the pranava together. Breathing out, breathing in. 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 Final round, breathing in. Settle yourself into your Sukhasthanam, that zone of comfort deep within yourself. That abode of ease, the niche of ease, that place where you can just be. You can just be yourself. You don't have to be someone else. Transcending the dualities of raga and dvesha, the likes and the dislikes that pull us away. Transcending the shatripus that pull us down, ripping us apart, as Ammaji so beautifully puts it. Transcending the vrittis to find that sukham. Establishing ourselves, pratishtha. Establishing pratishtha. We talk about prana pratishtha, linga pratishtha, atma pratishtha. Here it is a sukha pratishtha. You are establishing yourself firmly in a state of sukham. The sthirata of stability, dynamic stability, resilience, and the harmonious balance, a homeostatic equilibrium, equanimity, equipoise, manifesting deep within ourselves. Having a beautiful, loving relationship with ourselves. When we go on this self-reflective trip, our Atma Vichara, the Antara Mukha Yatra, we have to be careful. We have to be careful. No identification, no condemnation, and no justification. Just be. As the great Ramana Maharishi says, Summa ir, just be in that stillness. In that stillness lies the ease. From that beautiful state of Sukham, generate a loving sankalpa, a compassionate sankalpa, an evolutionary sankalpa, an affirmative, aspirational seed, mindfully guided and nourished by your own higher intent. Letting the buddhi, the higher illumined consciousness, through the powers of viveka and vairagya, discernment and metacognition, may we guide that sankalpa, that seed, which has the divine, infinite, universal potential. May that seed grow into the plant, the tree, bearing the beautiful flowers and fruits of its divine universal potential. A potential for wholesomeness, a potential for healing, health, wellness, well-being, manifesting that sukham for all beings in the cosmos, not just us, being absolutely inclusive, including all the beings in the cosmos. May all beings be at ease. May all beings feel that sense of wholesomeness, of wellness, of well-being, of health, harmony, peace. May all be blessed with abundance, joy and prosperity. becoming a Vishwamitra, someone who is a friend for the whole cosmos, a friend for all, just like that beautiful sun that rises in the morning, and as Mitra is a friend to all, irrespective of any human-made small-minded divisions. The universe is one. The universe doesn't discriminate. It doesn't divide. It is only us petty-minded humans who do that. As a human being, can we overcome the tendency to identify, condemn and judge? Can we overcome that old brain-driven survival instinct, Abhinivesha Klesha, that sees a threat in everyone and everything? Can we outgrow that duality, dichotomy, two-ness? And can we grow from that into a state of oneness, where wellness, wholesomeness, the Purnam can manifest? And at that point, all beings in the cosmos, they are us and we are them, because there's no separation anymore. There's no other. It is just one. May we grow into that elevated state of consciousness where we are all one. And in that state, may wellness, well-being, wholesomeness, harmony, prosperity, abundance, joy, may it all manifest for all beings in the cosmos. May we be the power of transformation. May we be the transformation personified. May that be the reality. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om. Thank you so much everyone for being with me. A very special day today, the 75th day of this Vishwa Yoga Prarthana, the Platinum Jubilee Day. We hope to keep it going as long as we can. And from my heart, from my Atma, from every cell in my Panchakosha, a big thank you to all of you. Dhanyavadaha, Danke, Mercy, Grazie, Gratias, Shukriya, Adios, Ciao, Kia ora, Nandri, Vanakkam.